Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Countif function in Google Sheets. So let's begin. In this spreadsheet, I have a list of employee names with their departments. Now let's say I want to determine how many people do I have in sales department. For that, I'm going to use Countif function. So hit equal, Countif, specify the range, which in my case is column B. And I'm going to type the value sales with a quote, end quote, and parenthesis, hit enter. So there you go. It counts how many sales do I have in this range. Now, this method works well with small data set, but for big data set, it might not be helpful. So let me show you a more robust and dynamic way to do this. For that, I'm going to use the function unique to find the distinct values in this range first. So let's see. You type equal, unique, and specify the range, column B, hit enter. So now it pulls all the unique values from this range. Now let's use the Countif function to find the numbers. Again, I'm going to type Countif, specify the range, B to B, comma, and this time I'm going to use the cell reference instead of the value. Enter. Okay. Now I'm going to drag and drop it so that I can get the counts for the rest of the departments. Now this is my favorite method out of these two because it saves me a lot of time. Comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. If you like my videos, then please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also comment below and share your thoughts or suggestions. Thank you for watching.